This is a video on how to calculate average velocity. A swimmer swims 100 meters north in the freestyle event. She swims it in 51.71 seconds. What is the average velocity of the swimmer? So let's start out with our formula. Velocity equals change in displacement over change in time, which is also the same as xf, or final position of displacement, minus starting position, or initial position, over change in time. So let's plug in what we know. Let's see what we know. Well, we know that the swimmer went 100 meters north. And we also know the time, which is 51.71 seconds. So let's plug it into our formula. So V, velocity, equals 100 meters north over 51.71 seconds. Which, if we plug that into our calculator, or do mental math, is 1.933 meters per second north. Let's do another one. A baseball player runs from third base 38.7 meters south to home plate in 15.3 seconds. What is the average velocity of the player? Let's start out with our formula again. Velocity is equal to change in displacement over change in time. Or the same thing is displacement final position minus the starting position over time. So it says that the baseball player runs 38.7 meters south. There's our displacement in 15.3 seconds. There's our time. So let's plug it in. 38.7 meters south over 15.3 seconds. We do the math. That is 2.529 meters per second south. There's our answer. Let's do another one. Let's crank it up a notch. All right. A horse moves from 10 meters east of the gate to 45 meters east of the gate in 15 seconds. What is the average velocity of the horse? Now this one's a little different because now we have two displacements. So let's draw it. All right, so we have our horse, starts here, goes from 10 meters, so here's 10 meters, to 45 meters, and the direction is east on both of ours. So, going back to our formula, velocity is equal to change in displacement over change in time. Or it's equivalent to the final position minus the initial position over time. So, let's plug it in. Our horse's final position is here at 45 meters east. So, we got 45 meters east minus, now we got our initial position, which is at 10 meters east. All of that is over time. And our time is 15 seconds. Now we do the math. We have to subtract 45 meters minus 10 meters. So we have 35 meters east over 15 seconds, which that is equivalent to 2.3 meters per second east.